Welcome to online home classes. Myself Lal Singh, teacher, Government High School, Chandrakot. Class 9, subject science, topic motion. First of all, what is motion? A body is said to be in motion when its position changes continuously with respect to stationary object taken as reference point with respect to time. Motion can be described in terms of distance moved or the displacement. Distance traveled and displacement. The distance is actual length of the path traveled by a body, and the displacement is the length of the shortest path traveled by a body from its initial position to its final position. Distance cannot be zero, but displacement becomes zero. If a body starts moving in a straight line from origin O and move through C and B and reach A and then move back and reach C through B, then the distance traveled by 60 plus 35 is equal to 90 kilometer. Displacement is 25 kilometer, but distance is 95 kilometer. Distance is a scalar quantity because it has magnitude only and it has no specific direction, and displacement is a vector quantity because it has magnitude as well as direction. The distance traveled by a moving body cannot be zero, but its final displacement by the moving body is zero. पहले ही मैंने कहा कि डिस्प्लेसमेंट जो है जीरो हो सकता है, लेकिन डिस्टेंस जो है जीरो नहीं हो सकता है। अब हमारे पास आ जाता है एक यूनिफॉर्म मोशन एंड नॉन यूनिफॉर्म मोशन। यूनिफॉर्म मोशन किसको कहते हैं? ए बॉडी हैज यूनिफॉर्म मोशन इफ इट्स ट्रेवल इक्वल डिस्टेंस इन इक्वल इंटरवल ऑफ टाइम। Equal distance in equal interval of time, no matter how small this time interval may be. For example, a car move 5 meter in 1 second, another 5 meter in another second. That is called uniform motion. If a body travel unequal distance in equal interval of time, it is said to be non-uniform motion. For example, first 5 kilometer in 3 seconds, next 5 kilometer in 5 seconds, and next 5 kilometer in 3 seconds. That is called non-uniform motion. Then another, that is speed. What is speed? Speed क्या होता है? Speed of a body is the distance traveled by body in unit time. That is, speed is equal to distance upon time. Or the speed of the body give us an idea how slow or fast the body is moving. Speed of body is distance traveled by its per unit time. That is, speed is equal to distance traveled by upon time taken. Simply, V is equal to S upon T. V is equal to speed, S is equal to distance traveled, T is equal to time taken. SI unit of speed is meter per second. The speed has only magnitude and it is scalar quantity. It has only magnitude. It is a scalar quantity. Average speed. Average speed क्या होता है? Average speed, the average speed of body is total distance traveled divided by total time taken to cover the distance. Average speed is equal to total distance traveled upon total time taken. Then speed with direction. The rate of motion of a body is more meaningful if we specify its direction of motion along with the speed. The quantity which specify both the direction and motion and speed is velocity. Velocity क्या होता है? What is velocity? सबसे पहले हम velocity की बात करते हैं. Velocity of a body is the displacement of body per unit time. Velocity is equal to displacement upon time taken. Since velocity has both magnitude and direction, it is a vector quantity. The velocity of body is distance traveled by its per unit time in given direction. It has both. Average velocity is the ratio of total displacement to the total time taken. Average velocity, total displacement upon total time. Average velocity is also the mean of the initial velocity u and final velocity v. Average velocity, initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2 va. Av is equal to u plus v upon 2. Speed and velocity have the same units, meter per second. Thank you.